What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here in the Seychelles. Look at these rocks. It's a little low tide right now. It's not like the perfect setting, but I'm on a beach. There is data here. I got my laptop. The stock market opens tonight at 6:30, so I'll be trading from this beach. A lot of people ask me, Tim, why do you go to these crazy places to trade? Like, what is the point? Are you bragging? Like, I'm confused. I'm not bragging. I'm showing you what I like. So a big part of what I teach is that, financial freedom allows you basically to live any life you want, live the life of your dreams. So many people like to just make as much money as possible. I've been there, I was living in New York. It was a soulless existence. I started to travel a little bit, a lot of it. I started to do charity a little bit, a lot of it. So now I'm traveling, doing charity all over the world. This is my dream life. And I want that to inspire you, and I want it to sink into you, because your dream life might not be beaches in the Seychelles or, working on these little stool stumps. This is just me, and I'm very proud to show it, because I truly believe that I want you to be happy. I truly believe that we all should be happy. Too many people message me, they're in debt, they're living lives for their parents, they're living lives for their boyfriend or girlfriend or husband or wife or their kids, and they're just not really living. They're not really optimizing their life. They're not really maximizing the opportunity. So I'm here to show you my dream life, but also to help you realize that you can work from anywhere. I probably could make a lot more money if I was in one place. The Wi-Fi here works, but it's not that great. It's cool to work from every place, but this is just me. Just like if I have my Ferrari or my Lamborghini or my McLaren or, any of the things that I show you, this is me. I don't want you to feel like you have to do exactly that. I just want to open the door up to your creativity, to your mindset. Like, anything is possible. And I know that sounds crazy. I know that sounds idealistic, but it's true. In this day and age, it doesn't matter your background. It doesn't matter your upbringing. It doesn't matter how smart or how dumb you are, or how good at math or how bad at math you are. Where is your heart? What is your heart telling you to do? And also, don't be afraid if you love one thing or you like one thing and then you fall in love with something else. Or you're like, whoa, wait a minute, I'm trying this. I like this a little more. I know a lot of people, maybe they were a trainer and they start getting into the diet part of being a trainer and they become a chef. For me, I was a stock trader, and then everyone started asking me what I'm doing, and I became a teacher. Don't be afraid to adapt. Always ask yourself, are you happy? What can you do today? What can you do this week, this month, this year to be even happier? You're not gonna get happy immediately. You're not gonna know everything after you watch this video and be like, oh, I know exactly what I want. Thank you, Tim, you just put everything into perspective. We're all different. So what works for me might not work for you. And that's what makes teaching so difficult, because we're all different. We have different personalities, different backgrounds, different upbringings, different strengths, different weaknesses. I'm just showing you me. And the way that I teach is through what I succeed at and what I fail at. And I don't want you to copy me. I don't want you to follow my trade alerts. I don't want you to follow alerts from anybody. Learn from what other people share and create your own life, create your own stock market plan. That is the way to happiness. That is the way to freedom. You don't want to rely on anybody else. I don't want you to have to hire a financial advisor to manage your money because you don't know anything, okay? You're giving that person a certain percent. You're putting your whole financial life in the hands of somebody else. No matter how qualified or how trustworthy they seem, you're still reliant. You're still dependent on someone else. Don't be that person. I don't care what you do in life, you need to have an understanding of finance. Whether you like stocks or real estate or trading or Forex or options or anything. Finance, financial security, that matters. No matter what you want to do in life, it helps so much to have your own independent wealth. And you don't necessarily have to talk about it online like I do. I do this kind of, publicly just to inspire you, to show you, because so few people actually talk about their money. So few rich people are willing to share it, because obviously I look like a douchebag a lot of the time. It comes naturally. Cheers to being a douchebag. Cheers to an asshole. I'm gonna use Kanye lyrics. I don't care. I have thick skin. I've been on like 7 fucking reality shows. So whatever you say to me, it doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to help you. And if I can open your mind up a little bit to say, whoa, wait a minute. I don't know where you are in the world, but maybe Tim Sykes has gotten to you. Maybe Tim Sykes is using the third person and using a beach in the Seychelles to teach you an important lesson. Be self-sufficient. Create the life of your dreams. Work from literally anywhere. Technology is changing the world much more than you ever realize. And I know it's still just beginning, like I'm still carrying around like a giant laptop and I got my smartphone here. So we're at the beginning of this digital revolution. There's gonna be new tools coming. There's gonna be faster Wi-Fi. There's gonna be a whole new internet being built right now. So in the coming years, it's gonna be even easier. But now, right now, this second that you're watching this, you need to start studying. You need to start becoming an expert in finance, ideally. That way you can be self-sufficient in time and maximize the opportunity. Utilize the new technology, travel everywhere. Leave a comment, let me know if you're gonna be dedicated. I'm looking for dedicated students, no lazy people. Bow! Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I wanna share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.